Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by positioning the keyboard, and your hand so typing is stable and repeatable. Place the keyboard centered to your monitor and set a slight tilt to reduce wrist strain. This helps accuracy over long sessions. Rest your left fingers on a SDF and your right on JKL, with thumbs lightly ready over space. Once done, confirm numlock if you need numbers, and practice a few home row drills to anchor muscle memory before moving to shortcuts. Now you'll execute the middle steps. Navigate and control the system fluidly. Use arrow keys plus home, end, page up, and page down to move without touching the mouse. This speeds editing. Learn Control plus C, X, V for copy, cut, paste, and Control plus Z or Y for undo and redo because they reduce errors. Then combine Alt plus Tab to switch apps quickly. Make sure to use the Windows key for Start, and Windows plus to finish. Apply advanced combinations and verify Control. Use Control plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager instantly. If that fails, use Control plus Alt plus Del. Customize shortcuts through settings or your keyboard's utility to match your workflow, because a tailored layout saves time. If keys stop responding, first reconnect or swap USB ports, then check drivers and run the on-screen keyboard to isolate hardware versus software issues. If problems persist, reboot and test with another keyboard to identify the fault.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.